Oh. Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking a very delicious crispy pork belly roll using some of EF's stylish and innovative kitchen appliances to make the process easier and faster. Before we start, let's take a quick tour around the EF Appliances showroom. This award-winning showroom is filled with sleek, modern kitchen solutions ranging from induction hobs, multifunctional combi ovens, to wine chillers. EF Appliances are stylish, innovative, and ideal for any homes. I'll tell you more about them later, but for now, let's start cooking. Now we're going to prepare our pork belly, approximately 1.2 kilograms. A little bit of fat like this will be nice, otherwise it's too fatty. Make sure that you clean the skin off of any hair. You'll need to get rid of all these bones. You see all this little white line over here? I'll show you how I shave this part off. So as you can see from here, there's all these soft bones or soft rib part. With a sharp knife, carefully just shave under this a little bit. So if you are not confident of doing this, please get your butcher to help you. So this is how it looks like after taking off the bones. Don't throw this away. You can use this to make soup. You can debone it further, do some stir fry, no problem. Alright, these are very delicious also. Keep this for other dishes. So now my pork is ready. We just need to make some cuts on the pork, not too deep, normal straight cuts like this. Okay, so continue with the rest of the pork. Okay, when you're done with this, we'll do it this way again. This way the pork will be very flavorful. Now that we are done, I'll show you how I marinate my pork. Now we'll start to marinate our pork. We'll add in approximately 2 teaspoons of salt first. Sprinkle them all over the lean part of the pork. Next, we'll add in 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Same thing, spread them all over the pork. Next, we'll add in 1.5 teaspoons of mixed Italian herbs. Same thing, spread them all over the pork. Now we'll start to rub everything in, all the seasoning in, so that your crispy pork will be really nice. Once you're done with this, we'll add in 4 cloves of chopped garlic and 2 whole shallots minced. Rub them all over, press it in, compress it down a little bit, pat it hard like this. It's going to be very flavorful and very nice. Once you're done with this, you'll add in 2 whole stalks of lemongrass, which I've flattened it down a little bit and cut it in half. We just place halves like this over here, and then we just roll our pork up. This part over here like this, and this part just covering the lemongrass like this. After you're done with this, we just flip this over and I'll show you how I tie my pork. Now we need to prepare some butcher strings to tie up the pork roll. I prepared over here 5 equal lengths of butcher strings. Every 2 fingers, 1 string. Alright, we'll start by tying the middle part up first. Just tie it up tightly. Make a dead knot. Do the same for the rest and I'll show you the next step. Cut off the excess string as short as possible. You can see some creases on the skin over here like this. We'll just push this down gently. Alright, we want to have a smooth surface on top. So gently just push the skin down like this. Once you have done cutting up the strings and securing the pork like this, you'll need to wrap it with aluminum foil. Take a piece of foil, put it in like this, push down a little bit, push it down like this, and then just wrap it up. Alright? Secure the end like how you would a candy. Now that this is done, let's steam the pork. For this crispy pork belly roll, we want the skin to be crispy and the meat to be juicy. And the key is to steam this. We'll steam this in the EF Steam Combi Oven. With a generous 72-liter cavity and 5 shelves position, you have plenty of space to cook multiple dishes at once. This Steam Combi Oven comes with 25 pre-programmed automatic menus, making it easy to prepare a variety of dishes without guesswork. And the best part, no plumbing is required. With a convenient 1-liter tank, you can simply refill and steam away. It also has an added feature of chow lock. We'll steam the pork for 70 minutes. 70 minutes is up and I'll show you the next step. Tear off the foil and we'll put the pork on a clean dry plate. Now we'll need to poke holes on the skin so that it will be crispy. If you do not have a kitchen tool like this, you can use satay stick or barbecue skewers. Make sure you poke as much hole as possible so you have a very beautiful light crispiness. Once you've finished poking the skin, add in 2 teaspoons of salt. This will help to dehydrate the skin so that your skin will be crispy. Rub the salt in. Finally, we'll brush it with white vinegar. This will also help to crisp up the skin. After you're done with the vinegar, we'll put it in the oven to dehydrate. Because if we were to deep fry this right now, the oil will splatter all over and you might hurt yourself. So we need to dry the skin. So now we are going to use EF Steam Combi Oven again, but this time to use the roast mode to dehydrate the skin at 120 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. I'll see you back in a while. It has been 1 hour and we'll remove the pork belly from the oven. Before we deep fry this pork belly roll, we will just need to dab this dry to prevent splattering. Now we'll deep fry this. We use the EF Induction Hob to deep fry the pork belly. You'll need a wok or pot designed for induction cooker. Let's heat up this wok of oil. This German-made ceramic top is not only stylish but also durable. The sensor sliding touch control allows you to easily adjust cooking levels and set timers. You can also use the boost function for faster heating and the timer as a minute minder or automatic switch off. Importantly, its safety features make it the perfect blend of style and functionality for any modern kitchen. Heat up your oil. We're going to deep fry our pork belly now. We need to test whether the oil is hot enough or not using a bamboo skewer or a satay stick. Place it inside the oil. If you see the bubbles rising up like this, that means the oil is hot enough. We'll now start to deep fry our pork belly. Slowly put in your pork belly. Be careful, it might crackle or pop a little bit. We'll just fry them side by side. 1 minute, turn a little bit. 1 minute, turn a little bit. Slowly fry them up. You can also pour the hot oil over the skin. As you can see, drying the pork skin in the oven is very important because after you steam it, the pork will become very moist and there will be a lot of splatter. Be patient, this will take about 10 to maybe 15 minutes at most. Slowly just move them around after every minute. I'm not using too much oil. As long as the oil can cover the skin, that'll be good enough. While the pork belly is being fried, let's talk about this slick cooker hood. EF cooker hood has dual aluminum filters that can efficiently trap grease. With a simple wave, you can easily adjust the fan speed to remove odours and clear the air without leaving oily fingerprints. The LED light provides clear visibility and the time delay function lets the fan run for an additional 15 minutes after cooking. You'll know it when it's ready when the whole skin is a little bit hard and it will become crispy and golden brown. I'll continue to fry this and I'll show you how it looks like in a while. This is our crispy pork belly roll. I've removed the strings and also pulled out the lemongrass. Now we'll cut this and listen to how crispy this will be. Look at how juicy this is. I can't wait to sink my teeth into this. Now that the dish is done, let's have a taste. Oh, crispy, juicy, the Italian herbs, the shallots, the garlic. This is really a beautiful dish. Delicious. If you are building or upgrading your kitchen, visit www.ef.com.sg or EF's YouTube channel for more inspiration. Check out the bundle deals and promotions and experience for yourself EF appliances at over 90 locations in Singapore. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye.